Shita, what's up?
Hi.
So I heard you're one of the batch toppers for CAT. So can you just answer a few questions since CAT is around the corner?
Yeah, sure.
Yes. So my first question for you is, how did you manage stress and anxiety during preparation, especially near the exam?
So, stress and anxiety, one of the key reasons we have stress and anxiety is when we lack self awareness as to where we stand in the preparation and when we are not sure about how we're going to perform and when we have lots of confusion. So, to manage that is give lots of mock tests and then try to, cover everything that you think that you're lacking at. That will really help you with your stress and anxiety.
So you mentioned mock tests. How did mock tests help track your progress?
Mock tests give you a lot of insight as to what your key strengths are, what your topics are, where you're taking a lot of time to answer the easy questions. If there are difficult questions but you're able to crack them easily, that can help you strategize for the D-Day. That's how mock tests really help you.
That's great. So how did you prevent burnout and stay motivated throughout the months of the preparation?
So burnout happens when you don't have enough motivation. To give yourself motivation, like allow yourself small wins. Don't completely throw yourself into the preparation and enjoy other things as well. And also try to reward yourself by doing the subjects that you enjoy a lot. Like I enjoy quants a lot, so I would start my day with doing quants and then I'll move to subjects that I did not like as much, such as VARC.
That's pretty insightful. Can you tell us how did you stay composed and perform well on the exam day?
Yeah, so mine was the first shift on the exam. And for compose, I slept on time, I woke up early, and then I meditated for like 15 to 20 minutes. I set my intention that results do not matter. It's like I have put in a lot of effort. Whatever comes will be the best for me. And then I gave the exam. I did not try to think about how much time is running by. I just focused that I have a certain strategy and I'll just focus on that. And I did not let other people's energy, because a lot of people are panicking around you. Some computer is not working, something is happening. So try to keep yourself, focused on your energy. And that's how I managed my anxiety on that day.
Some pretty sound advice. The last question for you, what would you have done differently in your preparation and why?
Okay, so one of the things during my preparation that I made, it wasn't related to CAT at all. It was more about the interview. I was so focused on the exams that I did not I did not consider other options. So open yourself to other options so that you don't have a lot of anxiety about how your CAT will go. If you have other options in line as well, you will be more relaxed during exam. Okay, this is not, do or die for me. I can still, give my best and I'll still have other options. So that I would have done differently. I would have, given a lot of other exams as well.
Wow, that's pretty inspiring to hear. Thank you so much for spending time with us. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye.